Samsung is preparing one of its boldest smartphone launches yet, and it's not just another Galaxy Z Fold. This time, the company is aiming to introduce something completely new, the Galaxy TriFold. As the name suggests, this phone will fold in 3 parts, which means it could feel more like a full-sized tablet than a regular smartphone. For years, Samsung has teased TriFold concepts at tech events, but this is the first time we're seeing actual signs of a real product. Animations posted online give us a glimpse of how the TriFold will work, and if the leaks are true, this might just be Samsung's most futuristic phone yet. So, what makes the Galaxy TriFold so different? Unlike the Z Fold series, which folds at one hinge, the TriFold has 2 folding points. That design makes it look and behave as if it has 3 screens. When completely unfolded, the device transforms into a massive display, rumored to measure around 10 inches. That's basically the size of a small tablet. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you open an app on the outer screen and then unfold the device, that app won't restart or close. It will continue running seamlessly on the main display. This means you don't lose your progress and you can keep working without interruptions. Multitasking is also getting a big boost. You'll be able to run multiple apps side by side, move them around, and resize them to fit your needs. Samsung has already been strong in multitasking with its Fold series, but the extra space on the TriFold takes it to a whole new level. One of the clips that leaked shows Galaxy AI in action. When summoned inside Samsung's internet browser, Galaxy AI takes up nearly half of the display. Normally, that would feel cramped, but thanks to the larger TriFold screen, the browser doesn't feel squished. And if you prefer, you can also keep Galaxy AI in a floating window while you continue browsing. Another neat trick happens during calls. When you're on a phone call with the TriFold unfolded, the Calls app appears as a floating window. This lets you carry on with other tasks, maybe check your email, browse the web, or use another app without closing the call screen. Samsung is also including a feature to mirror the outer screen onto the inner display, something fans of the Z Fold series will recognize. And in portrait mode, the TriFold looks a lot more like one of Samsung's Galaxy tablets than a foldable phone, which could make it especially appealing for people who want one device that does it all. Of course, no Samsung premium device would be complete without camera improvements. Rumors say the TriFold's telephoto camera will let you zoom up to 100x, powered by AI enhancements. Interestingly, this isn't available on the Z Fold 7, even though it uses a similar telephoto lens. If Samsung can pull this off, it could make the TriFold a powerful tool for mobile photography. And let's not forget DeX. This feature allows Samsung phones to power a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor. With the TriFold's larger display, DeX could feel even more natural, letting you handle productivity tasks as if you were using a small laptop. Another exciting detail is that you might be able to use the main camera system for selfies. Since the panels fold inward, you can angle the phone in a way that allows the rear cameras to double as front-facing cameras, giving you higher quality selfies and video calls. Now, all of this innovation comes at a price. Literally. The Galaxy TriFold is rumored to cost around $3,000. That's nearly double the price of a regular flagship phone and significantly more than even the Z Fold 7. But here's the thing. Samsung is pitching this as more than a phone. With its massive screen, AI integration, multitasking features, and camera tricks, the TriFold is designed to replace both your phone and your tablet. If you think about it, the TriFold is the next step in smartphone evolution. Foldables already changed the game when Samsung launched the first Galaxy Fold back in 2019. Now, a triple folding phone could be the next big shakeup. Yes, the price is steep, but for early adopters who want the most futuristic device, it might just be worth it. At the end of the day, the Galaxy TriFold isn't about small upgrades or minor design tweaks. It's about reimagining what a smartphone can be. And while not everyone will be able to afford it, it sets the stage for what the future of mobile technology might look like. So, would you spend $3,000 on the Galaxy TriFold? Or do you think it's better to stick with the Fold 7 or even a regular flagship? One thing's for sure, Samsung is once again proving that it wants to lead the way in smartphone innovation.